Hi, okay, so this is a video of me changing my bandages. This needs to be done every day. So I'm going to take this off, clean it up, change it. Before I did this, I got some stuff ready. I sanitized and bleach wiped and got all the stuff ready, gauze, cleaner, cream, tape, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. So first thing I need to do is wash my hands for 1 minute. So I have antibacterial soap here. And to wash my hands for 1 minute, so so you can see I have a new holder thing for my PD catheter. I've been wearing it kind of around my neck. Seems better than the thing that I had wrapped around my whole body. It's a little more comfortable. It feels a little less heavy. Okay, so that's a minute. So this I need to dry with paper towels, and I can't touch anything. The water is still running and it's super wasteful, but and turn that off with paper towel. So my hands are clean. I'm gonna remove this. Usually I've been doing this after I get out of the shower. So I would take this off, and I would take a shower, and then when I got out I'd do all the cleaning stuff. So, okay. Throw that on the floor. Okay, so here's what it's looking like now. It's healing. Still a little bit bruised up and stuff. This is just the catheter here. This is the thing that hooks up to the machine. I clean that when I hook up and unhook. So right now I'm just cleaning this area, keeping this area clean. So I'm going to take this off. So there we go. Okay, so now that I've done that, I need to clean. So first, because I've touched that tape and I've been wearing that tape, I need to disinfect my hands. So I have hand sanitizer here. I'm just gonna hand sanitize. And then what I have prepared over here that I did before I started recording, because I needed to have a sanitized area and stuff like that, was I just touched my face, so I need to see. Okay, so anyways, I have 4x4 gauze that is soaked in something called Accept, which is a site cleaner. So I grab it by 4 corners, being careful not to touch the part that I'm going to wipe the catheter with. So I'm just going to grab that. So you probably can't tell, but this is drenched in a solution. So I just take the 4 corners like this, and I just wipe in a circular motion around my site and moving out, and then take this and fold it the other way, grabbing the 4 corners and just continuing to go around. And I'm throwing the stuff on the floor because I don't want to be touching anything, and then when I'm done I'll clean it all up. So that's one, and then there's 2 pieces in each container. So I'm gonna go around here and I'm gonna kind of clean this off. Just gonna go around here. So that's that. You can see I still have some like sticky stuff from all the tape kind of stays there. So now I just need to kind of let this dry. What I do, because it's really wet, you probably can't tell, but another gauze that's dry, just to speed up the process, what I can kind of do is just like pat it dry a little bit. So that's that. So I'm just kind of waiting for it to dry a little bit more. I have one more. My nose is itching. It's driving me nuts. Alright. Okay. So you can see that I'm kind of holding this here. That's just because if I let it go, it kind of pulls on there and it can be uncomfortable. So I don't want that to happen. So I'm just kind of waiting for it to dry. Very dry. So now what I have over here prepared is a Q-tip, a sterile Q-tip with some gentamicin cream on there. So it's just gonna get that. It's a very little bit on the tip of there. It just goes right around the opening here. That's it. Okay, now what I would do, I'm gonna just kind of get some of this extra tape residue off. Alright, I'm gonna put a piece of what we call anchor tape right there so that I don't have to keep holding this here. So like when I shower, I leave this piece of anchor tape on here while I'm showering so that this thing isn't flopping all over the place. So I do like right here or so. There. Just kind of keeps that in place. So it's not pulling here. I mean, this is still kind of, pull that up for now. So this kind of flops around still, but it's not pulling right here where the opening is. Okay, so now I'm ready to, now these are 2x2 gauzes and there's 2 pieces of these in each sterile pack as well. And this I just put over the site here. So the first time I did this, it took me like half an hour. Took a really long time. And I did record it, but I was wearing a sweater and I was trying to hold up my sweater and I wasn't wearing a bra and I accidentally flashed the camera, and so I never ended up posting that video. So yeah, so those are there like that. Just get some more sticky stuff here and I'm just gonna tape them. So anyway, so now I'm quite a bit more efficient, I think. Where am I at now? Yeah? Not too bad. Oh, about 10 minutes or so from half an hour. Alright. These just get taped up. Okay, so someday this thing will be completely healed, like the cut over here will be healed, still not healed. And then, and then when I'm taping, I'll only be having to put like a piece of gauze right here where the opening is and a piece of tape. It won't have to go all the way across, but for now I still gotta go all the way across. Put another tape right there just to kind of hold it down. This tape is really nice because it's like sectioned really nice, so it rips off even pieces. Gotta like that. There. So that's it. Bandage changing. Now I'm ready till I have to change my bandage again tomorrow. Exciting. Thanks for watching.